Good afternoon, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do a what sold video, a rare what Saturday what sold video. I did end and relist on, let me see, that was Thursday, and had a great day. And then those sales continued into yesterday, which was Friday. And you can see on the screen, I had 74 orders for $810 on Friday. I kind of expected that number to go down, but very happy, obviously, that it went up. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick 15-20 minute video on some of the highlights of what sold. So we'll go ahead and get into it. I had one sale yesterday on Hip also, but these were mostly eBay sales. If I didn't do this today, Monday's video would be 2 hours long. So some of the highlights: Romney Heights Dymchurch Railroad Train Heights Chamber of Commerce. So this is overseas somewhere, United Kingdom, and that's where it's going back to. $10.99 for that card. Scranton, Pennsylvania, Child Coal Pickers Homeward Bound. Back before the child labor laws, $9.99. Bowie, Maryland, St. Matthew United Methodist Church stained glass, and that sold for $9.99. Next, Thanksgiving turkey fall scene pumpkin pie punch bowl, and several months removed from Thanksgiving, but those cards are still selling. $6.99 for that one. Same buyer bought this. Best wishes for Happy Thanksgiving. Artist signed clap saddle. And there's her signature right above my head. $6.99 for that one. Elizabethtown, New York. This is in the Adirondacks. Cobble Hill, published by Williams Drugstore. And that sold for $11.99. Virginia Beach, Virginia, Ocean Air Motel, Lynn Haven Inlet, Chesapeake Bay. 1950s cars. $14.99 for that one. Dunellen, New Jersey, Streetcar Trolley Depot Station, 1909. Here's that. Sorry, got a phone call. Let me see. This sold for $17.99. Next, Wiki Wachi, Florida, beautiful mermaids playing violins. And $8, that's going overseas. That's going to Germany. Just packed that one up. This place, I know how to say it, but I'm going to F it up. So, Hopatcong Lake, and that's in New Jersey. That lake was my nemesis. I could never pronounce it. $10 for that one. Bishopville Baptist Church. This is in South Carolina, Lee County. $17.99 for that card. Next, we have Bird's Eye View, Bear Creek, Luzerne County. This is in Pennsylvania. $20. Bear Creek is definitely, or should definitely be on your BOLO list. I've had really good luck with Bear Creek, Pennsylvania cards. Slow seller, but when they sell for good money. This is Arizona. This is the California Limited Train crossing Johnson's Canyon. It's a Fred Harvey card. Probably Detroit. No, it has the front has the look of a Detroit publishing card. $7.50 for that one. This is Roosevelt Dam in Arizona. It's a real photo. $8 best offer. And this is Arizona Roosevelt Dam real photo also. Same buyer bought this one. Information on the back, $8 best offer. U.S. Navy Cruiser Warship 1910s real photo, USS Charleston. Obviously all those question marks. I was not 100% sure what card or what ship it was, but $14.99. Hamilton, California, Yuba Goldfields Dredge 1950s linen. And that sold for $9.99. This is Boy Scouts of America, Great Smoky Mountain Council Camp, Tennessee Boy Scouts, $17.99. I kept getting messages from one person said this is just a generic view of a fake Boy Scout camp that they just use for, this picture would be for Pennsylvania Boy Scouts, it'd be for California Boy Scouts. And so the guy was quite upset that I was trying to get $17.99 out of it. It did sell, and it did not go to that guy, so someone else bought it. So I usually ignore those people, those doubting Thomases that on eBay that say I have something wrong, unless I truly have it wrong. But if they say I'm not going to get the money out of it, I ignore them. This is Ashland, Wisconsin, Pulpwood Heist Logging Industry Log Float Rafted. A lot of discombobulated keywords in there, but it sold for $6.99. This is the Effort Diner in Pennsylvania, Yingling Ice Cream, 7-Up telephone pole. Yingling's Ice Cream. I know they make good beer. I didn't know they made ice cream. $10.99. World War I era American Aviation Commission on Italian front. Real photo. It has like a real photo back, but I don't think it is a real photo. I didn't call it one just to be safe. $17.99. Sarasota, Florida, Fred's Cottage Park gas station. Room interior. $8.99. Next, Green Lake, Wisconsin, American Baptist Assembly cattle barn, 1950s. And that sold for $8.49. Next, Michigan, Coatmish, Michigan, Construction Cornell's Drug Store. I've had this card for 7 years or so. For the life of me, could not find this place. A couple years ago, submitted it to the Facebook group, the Unidentified Real Photo. They identified it within an hour, and then I just set it down and didn't list it for another year or so, but finally got around to listing it within the last year and sold for $17.99. Next, Pentwater, Michigan, picturesque Pentwater Lake from Sand Dune, 1916. $32.99, or I'm sorry, $32.24 for that card. I don't remember where I got it. Jeanette, Pennsylvania, Tire Rubber Works Company, circa 1910s. No idea where that one came from either. $10 on a best offer. Is at Fortescue Pavilion. This is in New Jersey. Fortescue, New Jersey. Pavilion and Beach, South. 1908. Paid 40 cents, came from that buyer, or the dealer in the antique mall who passed away. $10. Hiawatha Series, Iroquois and Ojibwe, Squaws, Indian. And this one probably came from the dealer I bought out, or from his widow. $15, best offer. Richmond, California, Standard Oil Refinery. $14.99 came from the York Postcard Show. Spearville, Kansas, ME, which is Methodist Episcopalian or Episcopal Church, 1908. And that sold for $10.99. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Howard Johnson's Restaurant, circa 1950s. $19.99. When I did the comps, Hojo's from Harrisburg was doing extremely well, so that's why I priced that up to $19.99. Brownwood, Texas, First Baptist Church Vintage Linen, $5 best offer. This is Malvern, Arkansas, First Baptist Church, 1912s, pre-1912. $5. I think that went with the person who bought that church. Ocean City, Maryland. This is the beach and boardwalk from the air. $9.99. Next, this is a Queen Victoria postal card, British India, 1 Anna, circa 1898, unposted. Got this at the York Postcard Show. I think I paid $1 for it. $9.99. Merry Christmas. This is a Christmas angel with Christmas tree, and then that's a applique. There's an applied silk blouse on her. $9.74 for that card. It's Trenton, New Jersey, Delaware, and Raritan Canal Railroad Tracks 1908 view, and that sold for $10. Easton, Pennsylvania, Walk to Pavilion, Pacanosa Inn. Why can't they just be easy words? $11 best offer. This is D. Wolf Hopper Casey at the Bat, actor M. Clark in Happy Land, real photo. And that sold for $14.99. Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Lancaster Britannia Town Seal. I think it's a real photo of this seal, this town seal. $19.99 for that card. Cumberland, Maryland, the Narrows, circa 1906, real photo. Usually this card does not sell for more than $9 or $10, but I listed this one high. It's in kind of crappy condition, dirty, some cracking, and got $18.99 out of it. Sold a Japanese silk embroidery picture, Mount Fuji, Japan tree scene. This is all silk embroidery. I'm not sure if it's hand done or machine done, but it's gorgeous. Got it at Goodwill several years ago, and probably paid $2 or $3 for it. Been trying to get rid of it forever, and someone sent me a best offer last night of $30, and I took it. So this next one, I think this buyer bought a couple clap saddles or a couple Thanksgiving cards. This is a Thanksgiving child chef pumpkin pie clap saddle. I don't think this is signed because it's so dark, but definitely an image attributed to clap saddle. $5.50 for that one. They also bought this Thanksgiving Day child corncob turkey, also a clap saddle. I don't see her signature, but 100% sure this is a clap saddle. And that one for $5.50. Boy and girl sewing blue chair cat kitten. You're just the one for me. Probably 1920s. Yeah, 23. $5. Next, this is Corpus Christi, Texas. The Margaret Sailing Yacht and Boat. 1910, and got $26.99 for that card. Omaha, Nebraska, Airline Counters Terminal, Epley Field Airport. This did not come from the aviation buyout. I've had this previously. So this was $20.99. Cheyenne, Wyoming, Frontier Days, Dale Williams Rodeo Cowboy. Real photo. Yeah, there's some holes and some folds. $9.74 for that card. This is Fairfield, Virginia, black and white log cabins near Lexington, and that's sold for $8.99. And then one sale over on Hip, St. Patrick's Day, Pretty Woman large green hat clap saddle. There's clap saddle. And that sold for $13.64. So yeah, another great day. Over $800 for postcards and a embroidered picture. So pretty good. Today, I'm not sure what I'm up to today. So we're at $69. Nice. On Saturday, 11 o'clock or so. Have a whole bunch of offers that came in overnight that I've not looked at yet. So hopefully today will probably still be a $200 to $300 day, and then tomorrow auction's ending. It's over 400 now, so going to be, hopefully, knock on wood, a great weekend. Okay, that's it. Hope your sales have been great. If they're not, try the end and relist. Don't end and sell similar, end and relist. Have a good day.